It's too hot.
No.
It's not hot at all.
It's not hot at all, only because of that. The squirrel's on the bridge.
Come on, Jaden. Ooh. Cool, Jaden. Do you see the tracks you leave behind? I like them. That's pretty cool. By tracks. Hold this, Jaden. I gotta change. Gotta change Lily. No, Jaden, wait. People are looking. They can't see anything. Thank you. Sorry about that, guys. Jaden had to hold the camera for a little bit. Oh no. Lily's awake. Where are we, Lily? What are the girls doing? Look. The girls are down a bridge. Slowly. No, that's not a mint. Not a mint.
Oh, that's water.
Yes, that's water, Lily.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
It's water droplets because it's raining. Hmm? What happened? Yeah.
This would be the perfect spot to go fishing.
No. Too many logs. Too many sticks.
How about you make fish?
We'd get stuck in like every branch out here.
Well, how about you aim right there? Because they'll keep you moving.
No, there's sticks everywhere. I don't think there's any fishes in here, Gabby.
But there's something. There's something. Did you not see that?
No, I see all the water falling.
I see all the water like tiny waves.
I see all the raindrops.
Wait. What?
Poor Lily. Lily's cold.
Crackers.
She's seen Mommy's crackers.
Aw.
Wait, she wants crackers.
I'm hungry.
No, she wants a cracker, Mom.
No, she wants
I'm
to.
I brought crackers, Mom, if you've got peanut butter crackers.
Peanut butter crackers.
Oh, there's only one left. I can't split it. So you know.
Yes, that's right. Bother Mommy. Mommy's got it.
Come on. Let's go play.
Come on, Lily. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe not. Jaden's over here trying to make some tracks.
That's not enough mud.
The water
Hey, Gigi.
No.
Blue Thunder. Want Daddy to push him? Like this. Ready? Go, Blue Thunder. Let me hold yours. Do you want to put your hoodie up? No. Okay, everybody, come on this side. What's wrong, Lily?
I'm going away.
Is he bothering you?
Go away.
Go away.
No, she's going.
No, Kai. Tell Kai. Go away, Kai.
You better not. You better not.
Ooh.
Hey, you go.
Don't chase her, Kai. It's too wet for that.
Lily, stop. Lily, stop. Lily, stop.
Leave her alone.
Go away.
You got a potty, Jaden? Are you pee-pee in your diaper or you want a potty?
I don't have TV like that.
You pee-pee in your diaper? Or you want to pee-pee somewhere?
I got away. Please.
You have to go potty?
What do that? What do that?
Okay.
You want to do
Cool, dude. You made some tracks.
But oh, that one.
Ew. And the water's cold. It's not a warm day.
Go on.
I don't know how they do it, man. I don't like the cold. Daddy does not like the cold. My
Dad.
water is freezing, like touching icicles. Mm-hmm. You go have fun with your cold hands.
Just go.
You're gonna be cold. Come on, let's go see how far we can walk. There's other ponds in here, Jaden. There's cool stuff in here. He's like, I just want to play in the mud. I know. Come on, Jaden.
This why without heel.
Gonna ride down.
Wait, oh heel. They do this mud.
Ugh, mud.
Do mud. Do this mud. Do this. Ah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Don't put stuff in your mouth.
Hmm.
All right, come on, Jaden. They're leaving us.
Do this. What?
What? Come on.
What?
Let's catch up. I got Blue Thunder. Come on.
Yeah, what?
Come on, Jaden. Bye.
Damn it, papaya!
Jaden, stay under the tree.
Wait,
Kai's gonna go under the tree.
he's gonna make it.
Oh! Lily's like, get me out of here. All right. Come on. Let's find another tree. Go follow mommy.
I want big weed.
Yes, come on, they're leaving us.
I need big weed.
Come on.
I need that.
That is so cool, Jaden.
What?
Don't eat it. Put it in the truck. Wow, it looks like the truck is growing a plant out of it. That's pretty cool.
I need it. You just eat.
You can't catch fish.
You just eat. Oh. No.
No fish is gonna catch with that.
Now I need this blue bottle jar. I want my this blue bottle
Ouch, my
jar.
finger.
This blue bottle jar.
All right, come on, guys. Jaden,
What?
don't let Lily tag you. Oh no! What's wrong, Lily? You want me to hold it? No! Run! She's coming! No, Lily! That is it! That is it. Kai's it. Kai's it, Lily. What you found, the map? Those are deers. A whole bunch of them.
Lily kept telling me she's seen a deer over
Look,
there.
I don't know if the camera can see it. Let's see if I can zoom in. Oh, they can't. Way in the woods back there, there is a family of deers. 1, 2, 3. It's like 4 deers.
Deers.
And we are here. Where are we trying to go?
says we're here. If you go in here, this is like a pond loop. We just came in. Just here.
I wanted to see the one that said something about turtle on my phone.
Probably gonna be the pond.
Go on. All right, come on. Come on, Jaden. Jaden.
Don't you have his other truck?
Lily has it. Whatever you do, Jaden, don't let Kai touch you. Because Kai's it. Don't let her trick you either, Jaden. She wants to tag you. Gabby, there's deers up here. Let's see the deers.
I'm looking for deer, but you have to be quiet. Jaden's it.
Jaden, shh. There's deers up here. They're in the woods. They're looking at us.
Are you sure there's a deer?
Yes, they're looking at us. Shh. Oh, they're gone. They're moving away.
There's a lot of them.
Shit, that thing is huge. Where? These are huge.
They're like cows. Come on. I did not bring the proper shoes for this. My poor white shoes. I got the kids the proper mud boots, but I don't have mud boots on.
It's super tall.
Where is it? I did not
You guys like, what is
I
it?
did not see anything. I kept asking.
There was a whole
Ooh,
flock
what's
of them.
Bokai. That's a blue trail. And see if we can see the deers through the woods. Nope. What? I can see the animals. Lily. Lily. Shh, so you don't wake up the animals. You don't make a noise so you don't wake them up. Yeah. We're missing everybody else.
Whoa.
God. What are they, musical rocks?
No, there's this type of rocks where if you hit it together, it'll make sparks. But I don't think these are it.
Lily's like, look. Look at the water. Jaden, come. I see a turtle over there on the log. Let's see if I can see the turtle. Come on. Shh. Come on, Jaden. Let's go see the turtle. Go through the woods. Oh, it went in the water already. Uh-oh. Babe, there was a turtle, but it jumped right back in the water. Yay, it's raining.
It is?
Yeah. Yay, I love walking in the rain. That's what makes it excited.
I feel nothing.
Yes.
Yeah, Louis has a new name.
Louis, you want to zip up your
What?
jacket?
Hubble baby.
What?
Oh my God. Hubble baby.
What?
There's shoe.
What's in there?
What is that? Shoe.
Where do you see a shoe?
What deal?
Oh, there is a shoe in the water. Darn it.
Nobody? Probably a person
No, it's just a shoe.
and lost a shoe.
Someone lost their shoe.
And also, look, there's a giant lily pad right next to it. Wow, I wish we could go grab it and wear it as our own shoes.
Wait, bicycle. Wait, no, you're fine. Yes,
let's
bicycle.
Follow whoever passes.
Come on, Jaden. We're gonna keep checking out the
I
pond.
said follow whoever passes.
Okay, bye, JJ.
Follow the person.
We're following them, Gabby.
Leader. Follow the leader.
Slow down, leader. I want to see what's in the water.
I
I do too.
I can see like a
Like, what if there's snakes in the water or turtles?
Eels.
Yes, we've caught freshwater eels, but not here. Went to another place and it was a pond, and we
I
caught
wish
a
we got a shark in
Jaden, the little boy, who's probably trying to get in the water right now. He caught a 2-foot-long eel when we were fishing in a pond. Come on, Jaden. Let's see if we can see turtles. Come on. You might lose your truck like that. Come on.
I see a turtle inside of its hill.
Come on, Jaden.
Inside of its shell.
Ooh.
Turtle
Oh,
laid back
come on.
with its shell.
Come. Crawl. Hike.
Yeah.
I like your boots.
I just love the nature.
Let me see.
They're wet.
Oh.
They're wet.
Yes, nature is beautiful, man.
No, they're...
Oh, and the fresh air.
And I'm keeping this just for Lily. But
Right.
her new name is Purple Baby. Purple Baby. You like it?
Don't you like the fresh rain?
Panda Baby. Her name is Panda Baby.
Well, the rain should help soothe
I'm
your headache away.
Lily, not your Panda. Boya. You boya. Wait, boya. Wait, a baby now.
Jaden's thinking about partying in the elevator.
Wait, boya. You're boya. You're Purple Baby. You're Lily. You're Purple Baby.
Oh, look, guys.
Purple Baby.
Look, guys. This would have been a fun place to come and play when it's not so cold and wet.
Wow. Whoa, it's raining.
Oh, my. Slow down, guys.
Oh, boy. Kai. I don't have one. Well, I do have one, but I'm
You
not.
got on leggings. What are these called? Capris?
I'm
Yeah.
not cool.
No jacket, no.
I love nature.
Come on, Lily. Let's see what's over here. Is there anything in here? Is there anything over here, Lily?
No.
Nope. Sometimes there's frogs.
I see it like something trash. Who would do
Sometimes
that?
there's frogs, Lily.
Who would do that? A turtle could have got stuck there.
There's a big hole in there.
And
Let's send the camera and see if there's anything in there. We don't see either. Is anything in there, guys?
I like that frog.
I don't think there's anything in there. Come on, Lily. Let's find the next spot.
Wait, are we doing a YouTube channel?
That is pretty.
You're Panda Baby. Remember? Panda Baby.
Come on, Jaden.
Baby. Panda Baby. You're a Panda Baby. That means you must keep the stick.
I wish I would have brought my remote control car. Come on, Jaden. Let's go.
Panda Baby. Look, wait. We have a Panda Baby walking.
All right, come on. Let's go on up. Yeah, we're going to check out the next spot. There's pretty more cool spots to check. Come on, Lily. Let's go find a new spot. New spot? Oh, Lily. Oh, it's slippery. Even Dad's about to fall. It's nice. We're about to get soaked and wet, which makes it so much better.
I can't function my phone because I don't have my waterproof case, Dad.
Your phone's not waterproof?
I can grab someone.
Oh.
Dad, I can grab you.
No, baby, come on.
Grab you.
What?
Where am I? I must go boat.
Ah, the boat wouldn't work in here because of all the seaweed.
Dad's
Oh. Mom, does this take us back to the car? No? We're walking in the rain the wrong way?
This just takes us in a circle
We gotta go the other way then.
and then possibly to another trail.
Come on, girls, we're going the wrong way. No, babe, look, that takes us out to the neighborhood and we can walk. But then we wouldn't be seeing nature, we'd be walking through the neighborhood.
We want it to be in the rain, Dad, in the nature. This is how nature is.
No, Mom, we gotta find shelter.
Rain and all.
We gotta make a shelter. And you know what's funny? We had umbrellas in the back.
I know.
We have umbrellas in the back of the van, and we did not bring them because the sun was shining. And now it's not. Let me dry this lens. Okay, guys, we gotta turn around. This way. Okay, come on. Come on, come on, guys.
I get it, cool.
Come on, Jaden.
George, I need Joy back down.
Come on,
I
Lily.
need Joy. I need Joy.
Why? It's shorter?
I need Joy.
Come on, Gabby, this way. Who cares, babe? The woods will stop us from getting wet. Come on.
No, it don't.
Yeah.
Especially not if you run.
Oh my, no matter how much I wipe this camera off. The screen just keeps getting wet. The rain's making everybody go wild. She's a monkey now.
Going wild. When they don't care that when I was at a school field trip, I only had a
Jaden,
shirt
this way.
and
Jaden, come on this way. Come on. Come on. Hurry, Jaden.
I have a plan, Dad. At home yesterday, they put the camera at me so I can do something. Because I want to say something. And then, please make sure you're still watching. We'll cut this video off in a minute.
Why? Come on, Jaden.
We'll cut this video off once we're in the car.
Come on, Jaden.
Take my jacket, Gabby. No!
Put it on. Drop the stick, put it on. Come on, Jaden. There's a storm coming. We gotta get out of the rain. We gotta make it out of the rain, Jaden. Come on, Lily.
Yeah, we're doing it.
Oh no. Seriously, I thought, guys, that the sun was coming out.
Yeah, I've been through worse. I had no sleep and I was walking in rain, worse there than this, just to get to my field trip room. Because I was going to bed at the field trip. It was like a 5-day field trip.
Yeah?
So I was heading to the room and I had no sleep, just shirt and pants on, and I was freezing.
Oh gosh.
It was fun though, because I went sailing, I went boating, I got on a canoe and got to drive it.
Yeah?
And I did so much fun stuff at the field trip. And after I had eaten, and on the last day of it, I had eaten.
Jaden, let me know when you're cold. Daddy might put his jacket on you.
Guys, I had eaten dinner, and it was nighttime. So I was walking with my group over to my bedroom.
Stay under this, Jaden.
And it was.
Alright, camera's gonna have to go away because it's really raining hard.
Camera's gonna stop, and once we get home, we're gonna turn it back on. Yeah, so bye guys.
Oh no, Jaden. It's really cold out here. Come on, Lily. You want me to carry her? Alright, guys, we gotta go. Run, Jaden.
Oh, God.
Oh.
Not through the puddle, though. Come on. You don't care. What a bad time. A bad time.
It's getting in my eyes.
Raining in your eyes, Lily. No, it's on your nose, too. Oh, gosh. You want to hide Jaden from the rain?
Dad, is that waterproof?
Yes. Yeah, you want to hide? Mom, you got to carry Lily. I got to hide Jaden from the rain. He ain't got no jacket on.
Run to the car.
Come here, Jaden. You want the keys in case you run in there? Here, Mom. Here's the keys, Mom. I thought you said you were cold.
Whoa! Whoa!
Come on, run. Come on. Run to mom. Okay. You want to give me your truck? Now we're all wet.
Oh.
And we gave up on trying to make it to the car. Go ahead, Jaden. So, Jaden's hiding under me from the rain. But then he'll jump right out and splash in puddles. We're making it. We're making it there.
Why is this? What? What? You made what? Oh my gosh, you're my wild.
There's more puddles.
No, you're my wild.
More water.
Yes. They will get me away.
Come on, let's catch up to mommy.
Me away.
Good dog. I see mommy in the minivan. Woohoo! Dryness, here we come. Come on, Jaden. Let's race him down the hill one last time. Ready? Go! Alright, come on, Jaden, let's go. Come on. No, come on. Woohoo! Alright, come on. The water's growing. It is cold and miserable. But we had fun. What, Jaden? Oh no, Jaden, we gotta take all this clothes off of you. Luckily, Daddy's got extra clothes in the van. Come on. Come on, Jaden. This way, come on. Come on, Jaden. Alrighty. Hold on, Jaden. Jaden says thumbs up. Let me see. He enjoyed the heck out of it. Oh no, camera's wet. Alright guys, everybody sit down. It was fun, y'all, and it was really wet out here. But see you around the next one. Get out there and have some fun, even if it's raining.